Scales on their own mean nothing. Here's how to make them mean something. You already know these chords. When you practice scales, practice them in a key and move them with the chords. These chords all belong to the key of C major, C, A minor, F, we'll use the small f, and G. We're only going to learn one scale, C major. Open position C major scale down here. We play it in this position because we can relate the visual to the chords we already know. So this is where it's good to start. Starting with the 3rd fret A string, open D, 2nd fret D, 3rd fret D, open G, 2nd fret A, open B, 1st fret B. And we can reverse it. It's great practice to get used to playing it up and down, ascending and descending. So that's our C major pool of notes. Now let's put it all together, and this can be the foundation of your chord scale practice drill. Strum the chord, play the scale from the root note, and we'll go through the sequence. Starting with the C chord in the progression, we give it a strum, and then we play the C major scale from the C. When we move to the A minor, we're still drawing from the same pool of notes, but we're going to begin on the A. We extend the scale up and down so we can go across all 6 strings, as in the diagram. When we get to the F, start on the F, and then the G, start on the G, there's your 4 chords and your 4 positions. All C major, but you can hear the movement. Now let's build the drill. Simple strumming pattern while we get used to it. Root note, chord tones, then play the segment of the scale. And then we arrive back at C. Once you've nailed playing the scale section in order, you can start to get a little bit creative and try clusters of notes or try to create a melody and shake things up a bit. Here's an example. Perfect song examples that use the key we're in today: La Bamba, Lean on Me, Wild World, No Woman No Cry, and we can stop there, but the list does go on. Now you're nice and warmed up, check out this video on how to build your first guitar solo. I will see you next time.